Speeches of Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Fears and misapprehension. From reply to debate on President's address, Rajya Sabha, March 9, 1965. The language question has aroused strong feelings throughout the country, especially in the southern parts of India. People are naturally deeply attached to their mother tongue, and there is absolutely no question of displacing or replacing the languages spoken in different states. There are misapprehensions, especially in regard to the use of state language or mother tongue. Some Tamil papers expressed the fear that Hindi would be replacing Tamil. Slogans opposing such a move were shouted by some people in Madras. This was a clear misapprehension. The Government of India will give all possible encouragement to development of the state languages. Almost all state governments have accepted or adopted the policy of introducing the state language as the official languages of the state. In course of time, all the state languages will become their principal languages for official purposes. Another point is about use of English. On January 26, 1965, it was officially announced in terms of the provisions of the Constitution that Hindi is or would be the official language of the Union. No other action was taken which could create any kind of confusion. Even if some circulars were issued, it should not have resulted in such violent and destruction of property. Our mistake could have been pointed out. I remember when I was in charge of Communication Ministry, a money order form printed only in Hindi was brought to my notice. The matter was rectified at once. We immediately stopped sending Hindi money order forms to the south, and English forms were sent instead. As Shri Annadurai rightly said, there has been a genuine apprehension regarding the imposition of Hindi. I have stated categorically and clearly that we will abide by the assurances given by the late Prime Minister. We will certainly have thoughts about how these assurances can be implemented. As a matter of fact, there is one of the points which we are considering. While doing so, we do realize that the country needs a link language. I am glad that Shri Annadurai is not against Hindi as such. But he has said it should not be spread through the help of the government. I would not like to say anything further on this. At the same time, it is important that English has to continue and will continue. In terms of Official Language Act, English is to continue as an associate language, and there will be no difficulty at all for anyone who doesn't know Hindi, whether he is functioning here in the Secretariat or at any other All India office